Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm out here with something different, y'all. Figure I'd try my hand at flying a plane. I ordered this thing off of Amazon, and this thing is the BF109 fighter plane. They're calling it a glider, and this thing is a 3-channel aircraft. It has this big propeller on front, but this thing is just for show. It doesn't really do anything. It's supposed to spin in the wind when it's flying, but it doesn't even do that. But these little props right here are what's driving this thing right here. These props here, the wheels are optional to fly with. I like to fly with the wheels on. I feel like that protects the bottom of it a little better. And this is a 1S aircraft here, 1S LiPo in this thing, and I believe it's a 380 milliamp hour 1S LiPo in here, and it does have elevator. You can see the flap on the tail right there that allows this thing to pitch up or down. It does not have ailerons, so it doesn't have anything on the wings to make this thing fly side turn or side pitch, I want to say. And so a little better than a 2-channel, a little more control. Just having that elevator, it allows me to when the wing dips like this and I'm in a turn, I can use that elevator there to mix the channel kinda and get a tighter turn with this little guy. I won't say that I like this better than flying drones, but I am a little excited about flying planes. I like it for the most part. I really would like to try a 4-channel plane. I'm moving up gradually, y'all. I was flying a 2-channel on here twice, 2 or 3 times maybe, and had some good fun with that, with those 2 planes. A little F-22 Raptor, I believe it was, a red one that was sent in by one of the subscribers, and I think I bought one and sent it back. But nevertheless, 3-channel aircraft. This is the little remote here for it, the little transmitter. It does have trims for up and down for the elevator and all, left and right. This thing actually does have yaw, but it yaws by actuating the motors there. So one motor will spin up faster than the other, one will slow down in order to turn in that direction or whatnot. So it does have yaw by varying the speed of the motors, the 2 twin motors there. And I have been able to take off with this thing off the ground. You can toss it as well. I think I might try both for you guys. I might. It does have 2 rates. It has this right shoulder button switches to the higher rate. It starts off in low rates. And this button right here, I'm not sure what this button does. I can't remember. I don't think it does anything. I can't think of what it would do. It does not turn off the gyro. That's one of the things I don't like about this. It has a gyro, and that's good, but you can't turn that gyro off and fly without it. And so the reason why I don't like the gyro, I would like to turn it off sometimes, is because in low rates, sometimes you get the gyro, you know, getting this thing to wobble back and forth like that a lot in the air. And that can be a pain. You lose control. Sometimes it wobbles itself down from a smooth flight. But I'm going to try to fly this thing in high rates. I'm not even going to fly it in low rates. Just a quick flight for you guys to check out. I took I took the screw out of this battery cover to be able to get to the batteries a lot. Maybe I'm thinking now maybe I should put that screw back in there, because every time I sit this thing down, the batteries fly out of it. But let's get it up in the air, y'all. Got mosquitoes out here biting too, y'all. Turn this thing on. You have to go up and down on the left stick in order to bind it. The left stick is the throttle, and this controls the elevator and yaw turning. We're gonna try to take off from the ground, y'all. We put it in second rate. Try to bring it back around, y'all. Y'all see what I'm talking about the gyro? I was trying to turn it, and the gyro was trying to correct it, and it made the thing go back and forth like that, and I just ended up smacking into the wall over there. But a lot of times I can get it to bank a hard turn right here in this little space and shoot back out that way. So we're gonna try it again. This time we're gonna try to take off by a toss. If we're still functional. But this thing is a foamy, and for the most part this thing is pretty durable. I've crashed this thing a dozen times, as you can imagine. Learning how to fly this thing, I've been crashing it a lot. So let's try to take off with it again. Oh, don't want to crash in there. Don't want to go on the roof either. It's a little windy out here too. Seems to carry me faster coming back this way than I would like to be going. Let's toss it again. I think I'm gonna try to keep it in this open space over here. Uh-oh. Oh, going down. Oh, went down too low. I was trying to pull up with it. It doesn't have a lot of throw, and with that gyro on and not being able to turn that gyro off, a lot of times it can get you in some trouble. The worst that has happened to me was I lost a prop. Had to swap out, get a new prop for it. It's a little windy out here. I think I might call it a day with this thing. I done broke my slipper. Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm thinking it might be a little too windy to be flying this thing. This little 3-channel with these little props on it here. I just wanted to get this thing out here to show you guys a little bit of flight with this thing. Not bad. I wouldn't say it's bad. You can get away with flying this thing on a calm day with not too much wind. It flies really nice. But with wind, you can see the turbulence and everything on this thing. You can see it bobbing up and down and losing control and not being able to turn this gyro off. It's a bad idea to fly this guy in some wind, because the gyro sometimes makes it lose control. But Pretty cool little flyer for beginners. A little 3-channel. I would recommend it. The BF109 3-channel aircraft. Thanks for watching. Trying to get it back around.